Greetings from the future adventure. Prepare to experience the world in a whole new way with our vision for the 2026 Nissan Motorhome. An incredible blend of freedom, comfort, and performance. Nissan's distinctive modern design lines are both aesthetically pleasing and practical, as evidenced by its sleek, aerodynamic appearance, which may be built on a cutting-edge electric van platform or a smart commercial van like the future Nissan NV350 Caravan. Beneath its bold exterior is a variety of powerful and efficient engines, including the reliable blue DCI turbo diesel engine or even a quiet and eco-friendly all-electric powertrain, providing you with options for every trip. Upon inside, you will find a fully revamped dashboard that blends practicality with a touch of flair. The large, user-friendly touchscreen infotainment display serves as the control center, offering controls for every motorhome feature, sophisticated navigation, and seamless smartphone communication. Nissan's dedication to quality and innovation is evident in the sophisticated yet comfortable cockpit setting, which is crafted with high-end materials and dark chrome accents. A digital instrument panel that is easily readable and adjustable displays important information. Aft is the main living room, which has been thoughtfully planned to make use of every available space. A cozy lounge space with well-covered sofas can be quickly transformed into a large dining area because of the modular design's amazing versatility. Huge panoramic windows bring in a lot of natural light and provide breathtaking views of everything you will see. An ambient LED lighting system makes the cabin appear cozy and welcoming at night. The bedroom provides the luxury of a boutique hotel when it's time to relax. A compact bookshelf and practical hidden storage around the cozy queen-size bed with an ergonomic mattress. After a long day of travel, solitude and a restful night's sleep are guaranteed by a side window with blackout curtains. Despite its small size, the bathroom is surprisingly functional and contemporary. It has a wet bath with a warm water shower, a fold-down sink with fashionable taps, and an effective cassette toilet. You can keep fresh wherever you go thanks to its ingenious design, which guarantees effectiveness without sacrificing flair. The small but well-equipped kitchen is where you may prepare your favorite meals. It has a mini fridge, a small stainless steel sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and plenty of room to store cookware and supplies. Even in the woods, cooking is simple and enjoyable thanks to a tiny prep area and a smart fold-down table. The 2026 Nissan Motorhome is a mobile home that provides true independence, not simply a car. There is an unending journey ahead. Prepare to explore, travel, and savor every second.